Today, we'll learn how to display data in Streamlit using st.table and st.dataframe. Let's get started. Before we begin, we need one new library called Pandas. Pandas helps us work with data in Python. If you don't have it installed, open the terminal and run pip install pandas. After installation, we can import it into our project. Import Streamlit as st, import pandas as pd. Let's create a simple table. Import Streamlit as st, import pandas as pd. Data equals name, John, Sarah, Emma. Marks 85, 92, 78. df equals pd.dataframe data st.table df. Run the application. You'll see a clean table with student names and marks. Notice that this table is static. You cannot scroll, sort, or resize it.
Sometimes your data is much larger. You may want to scroll through it or interact with it. For this, Streamlit provides st.dataframe. Let's replace the last line with st.dataframe parentheses df. Run the application again. Now compare it with the previous table. You can scroll through the data and it looks more interactive. This is why st.dataframe is commonly used for large datasets.
That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Happy coding!